Good afternoon, Year 1. Today, I would like you, for our talk writing lesson, to practice spelling some of the key words in our new text. Okay, so the first word that we are going to practice spelling today is the word first. Okay, so the first thing we do is we got 2 slices of bread and it said first get 2 slices of bread. So we need to make sure we can spell that word first. Okay, so we're going to use our phonics. Now, all these words we're going to spell today are going to have a capital letter because they're going to be the first word of each of our sentences. Okay, so first, let's sound it out first on our thread fingers. Okay, first. St. So we're going to have our f sound, but it's going to be a capital. Okay. Now we know this sound because we've learnt it in our phonics. It's whirl and twirl. Okay, so is going to be our next sound. Okay, so we've got st. Okay, s, and then t. Okay, so that's our first spelling. Our next spelling is going to be the word then. Okay, then. Let's have our thread fingers. We need 3 thread fingers for this one. Okay, let's press the sounds on for the word then. V, e, n. Okay, so the first sound is this f sound that we learn in phonics. Okay, but because it's the first word that's going to be in our sentence, it needs a capital T. Okay, so it's a digraph, T and a H, but it's going to be T and an H like that. Then, F, E, N. Okay, E, N. Okay, so here's our digraph. Here's our digraph in the word first. Right, the next one that we're going to do is a nice simple one. It's the word next. Okay, so 4 thread fingers for this one. Next. Let's sound it out together. Next. Okay, you just need to remember that it's going to be a capital at the beginning. So next. Okay, next. Right, the next word that we're going to do, or the next 2 words we're going to write, are the words after that. Okay, after that. All right, so the first word we need to spell is the word after. Okay, so 4 thread fingers. After. Okay, so we're going to start with our capital. And then it's an sound. Now I know from Miss Kellington that you learned this sound last week, and it's a better letter. Okay, so that sound is in our word after. And after that. Okay, that. At. So we've got our sound again. Squeeze it in here. Okay, so that begins with our digraph. At. Okay, so we've got first, then, next, after that, and then the last word that I would like you to practice spelling, although this is a really tricky one, so don't worry too much if you don't remember how to spell it, but you can have a go, is the signifier finally, which comes at the end of our text. So finally, remember it's going to be a capital, I, N, A, and then it's an ul digraph, 2 ulls that make one sound, ul. And then the E sound at the end of finally isn't the E sound that we know, because we know this E sound, don't we? E, what can you see? But it's not that one. It's a Y. And in a word, sometimes a Y makes an E sound, okay? I, N, A, L, E. Don't worry too much about this one. This is a very, very tricky one, okay? But have a go. The other ones, though, you will be able to sound out, okay? So what I would like you to do today is practice spelling those words, okay? And you've got a sheet in your pack that looks like this, okay? So you're going to write the word, then you're going to have a look at it, see if you can remember how to spell it, cover it over, say it, then sound it out on your thread fingers, and then write it in the next box, and then take your hand away to see if you got it right, okay? Have a go at spelling each of those words for me, ready for our writing after half term, okay? See you again soon, bye!